Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your main notifications on Viber. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon that we have here. Next, from the multiple options we have here, we're going to go ahead and click on the third one that says notifications. So as you can see, the first section we have are the main notifications. So you can turn them on and off as you're liking. For example, if you want to show your message notifications, you can leave it on. If you don't, you can turn it off. Next, you can select whether you want them to show your group notifications, like if you're in a group, something, you can turn it on and off. So the same goes from show communities notification, show explore notification, and service notification. You can modify them just by tapping here. It taps them on and off. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.